Hello and welcome to beautiful England with beautiful Lorraine.
Hello.
And me, Malcolm. And today we're in a village called Great Cheverall here in Wiltshire. We're going to walk you through the village with the sound of the church bells in the background. You'll probably hear the church bells in a minute, and here they are. It's a church bell practice night. And I'll give you a little bit of a history as we walk around the village. Enjoy. Hello Lorraine. We're walking around the church and hopefully we'll get inside the church as well, and then we'll walk you through the village. We'll give you a little bit of a history. As I said, it's a church bell practice night tonight, so we thought we'd walk around the village, get the church bells in for you. With beautiful Lorraine. Alright? Enjoy the video. I'll go back a bit. The church bells will go on and off because it is only a practice night tonight. Okay, Lorraine? Great Cheverall was actually mentioned in the Domesday Book back in 1086. So obviously the actual village can go back well before 1086. And this is the Church of St. Peter of Great Cheverall. Let's go inside a minute. Parts of this church does actually date back to the 1300s and 1400s. It's lovely, isn't it? It's lovely, isn't it? There we go, mate. Here's your church bells again. That's the church bell ringers down the other end. And you can see, hopefully see the ropes, they're pulling the ropes. Through the window over there you can see the ropes being pulled. That's the actual church bell ringers ringing the bells. We've got them in action. Okay, Lorraine? That's lovely. Got the church bell ringers in action for you. This is the manor house, which dates back to 1690. Hopefully you can hear me over the bells. But this is the manor house, dating back to 1690. Church of St. Peter. Like I said, the bells will stop and start because it's only a practice night. This is a Tuesday night on a lovely sunset evening. As I said, the church does date back to the oldest parts of the church does date back to the 13 and the 1400s. However, there has been reports of the church, parts of the church dating back further than that. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but the church is old. The tower has 6 bells. One is from 1500 and 3 are from the 1700s. The other 2, not sure when they were put in, because it does say on my notes there's 6 bells, but it does only mention 4, 1 from the 1500s and 3 from the 1700s. So I'm not sure when the other 2 bells were added. There is a chapel in the village, and that dates from 1837. So it's a lot more modern than this church of St. Peter. We'll have a look at that when we see it. Hello, Lorraine.
Okay.
Okay, let's have a little walk through the village for you. That's the church of St. Peter in Great Cheverall. Hopefully you enjoyed that. The actual, where we walked along just now, there's a little wall either side, and this wall was built with actually headstones. These are all headstones. There's no dates on them because they're so old. That's the trouble with the really old headstones. They're so old.
Can't make out the writing.
You can't make out the dates on them because they've obviously deteriorated, worn away over the years.
Oh, Malcolm, pretty flowers.
Oh yeah, got some pretty flowers there. Well done, Lorraine. The Church of St. Peter, Great Cheverall. Great Cheverall. Nearly forgot then. And Lorraine, thank you Lorraine, coming to my rescue then. Come on, let's walk through the village. It's a lovely cottage next to the church. It's actually called the Church Cottage. There's some climbing roses up it. Lovely Lorraine. Lorraine's worried because I'm walking backwards. Okay. As I said, Great Cheverall was mentioned in the Domesday Book, but there's no word of population of the village at that time. It is mentioned in the Domesday Book. However, in 1377, there were 73 taxpayers, because that was the idea of the Domesday Book. The King of England at the time, in 1086, wanted to record how many people were living in each village and who owned what land, and so he could start taxing people basically. In 1377, there was 73 taxpayers living in Great Cheverall. 73 taxpayers. And that's called the Dutch House for whatever reason.
What's a nice lavender?
called the Dutch House. Just by the church is also a pub, English pub called the Bell. That dates back to, this building dates back, this pub dates back to 1740. The Bell Inn, 1740.
They've got nice flowers.
Yeah. Most English pubs will have a good show of flowers in the summer months. And there's a sign up there, the Bell Inn, 1740. Okay, Lorraine? Let's have a walk through the village then, darling. And there's the village shop. Cheverill stores. As in a lot of villages, there may not be a path to walk along, no pathway.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it's a lovely one, isn't it? Lovely thatched roof.
I like the pink roses that side,
Yeah.
and the orange roses that side.
Yeah, lovely pink thatched roof cottage there for you. I think I said a pink thatched roof cottage. It's the pink roses. I think I said pink thatched roof cottage. White, but with lovely roses on it, which are pink. Okay. Although there's 73 taxpayers back in 1377, by 1841 the population was 295. So over the years the population had got bigger. In 1841 the population was 295 here in Great Cheverall. This house is as nearly as beautiful as you, Lorraine. But unfortunately, the fall of agriculture, I do have problems saying certain words, agriculture, the fall of that, the population actually fell to 174 by 1951. So over the years it fell by over 100, the population. And then since the 1950s, with new housing going up and new employment of the nearby prison called Earlstoke Prison led to the population rising again. We'll be doing a video of Earlstoke, which is a very pretty village as well. So look out for the video of Earlstoke as well. We won't be recording the prison, but the village of Earlstoke is very pretty as well. And this said with the employment of the actual prison nearby, the population grew here. The new housing was built. But pretty much what we're showing you today, the architecture will be hundreds and hundreds of years old. There was a water-powered corn mill recorded here in Earlstoke as well in 1449. So some of the architecture will go back hundreds and hundreds of years. This is pretty again, isn't it? With the
Oh, that's very pretty. Yeah.
with the lovely flowers.
Beautiful flowers. It's stunning, isn't it?
Absolutely, my darling. Absolutely. This is called Aston Cottage. Lorraine giving us a wave. We're going to see some more older buildings further up the village. There's some thatched roof ones as well. Very, very pretty. As I said, the bells will go on and off. This is a Tuesday night and it's a practice night. Oh, we've got a lovely thatched roof cottage here, house here. But unfortunately, well, it's not unfortunately, they're having a new thatch put on. So they got scaffolding.
Oh, wow.
So we can't actually see it in its full glory. But it's actually being thatched. Well, it's not being thatched as we speak, but it's being thatched at this minute. It's actually being having a new thatched roof being put on it. And that's called the Rosemary Cottage. And there's your master thatcher. That's what they're called. See, the thatchers, they are called master thatchers. And his name's Benjamin Thompson here in Wiltshire. Okay. Beautiful.
That's pretty as well, isn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it? There's another one next to it. We'll get a closer view of that in a minute. We're pretty much in the shade at the moment, but there's a lovely sunset. But most of the village seems to be in a bit of a shade. There's the sun over there. Hopefully you can see the sunshine with the lovely thatched cottage. A beautiful Lorraine. Hello, darling.
Hello, my sweetheart.
You do look beautiful.
Thank you.
Doesn't look like that one's being lived in at the moment, does it? Lorraine, this one's not being lived in at the moment.
No.
Looks like it's been re-renovated.
They've had an extension put on.
Yeah,
as well.
I'm guessing that the side bit there
Yeah.
is an extension, yeah. It looks splendid though. Ready for somebody to move in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for sale, look. It says up there for sale. So it's been done up and for sale,
Yeah.
basically.
It's like they've got a big garden at the back.
Yeah. As I said, we can only record from the roadside anyway, so. Got some more pink roses up here, isn't it?
Very pretty.
Another thatch roof cottage with some pink roses. I'll count to 5, see.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Another one there as well, next to it.
It's lovely as well.
Isn't it? Some more pink roses, isn't there, Rain? Some more pink roses, darling.
Yeah. But these are a different shape, aren't they?
Lovely. Hello. There's the village and the church down there. This is the newer part of the village up here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we won't go up here. This is the newer part of the village. Get some pretty flowers over here. So just get these flowers in and we'll walk back down again. There's some pretty flowers along here. We'll only see the older part of the villages. Got some hydrangeas in the sunshine, the evening sunshine.
Oh wow, they're lovely.
Well, there's another thatch roof cottage over there, look. We can only see it from here because we can only see it from the roadside. I get those hydrangeas in with the cottage. What would they be called? Delphiniums? Do you think they're called delphiniums?
What are those called?
Just asked you that 3 times. They delphiniums, are they?
I'm not sure, Malcolm. They look like delphiniums.
Yeah. I asked you that 3 times, darling. Obviously Lorraine didn't hear me, bless her. Okay, shall we walk back down to the village, darling?
I think we better, yes.
Got some yellow roses on that one, haven't we?
Yeah.
Got some yellow roses here for this one. This one on the other side of the road is built in 1754, so this would not be the oldest by far. So this one here, as we're looking at, 1754. May not be the oldest one in the village, but it's still old. It's still very pretty. It's 1754. Hello, Lorraine.
Malcolm, look at these yellow flowers.
Oh yeah, they're pretty, aren't they?
What do you reckon that is?
I've no idea. Very pretty though. Got pink, a little pink shrub here, rose. In the evening sunshine, evening sunset. Pink roses there.
Oh, just spotted some more flowers as well.
Oh yeah, very small. It's like a rose, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Lorraine's my spotter. Right, is it Lorraine?
Yes.
My spotter.
Oh, yeah.
Where are you? It's like my screen went blank then. I couldn't see Lorraine. Hiya, darling. Yeah, Lorraine's my spotter. If I miss something, she'll spot it for me. We're going to go back down through the village again towards the church. Now when we can, me and Lorraine will hold hands as we're walking through the villages and the videos, when we're making the videos. Because I only need one hand to hold the GoPro. So when we can, we'll hold hands. And we'll have a cuddle now and again. Won't we, darling? I would say it's a shame to see the scaffolding up. Yeah, normally I'd say it's a shame to see scaffolding up with these beautiful, lovely old buildings. But on this one, it's having a brand new thatch being done. So that's the reason why the scaffolding's here. I believe the thatched roof, they need replacing every sort of 25-30 years or so. Yeah, so about every 25-30 years, I believe. It does cost a lot of money to get these the thatch roofs redone. So probably some people might even go longer than that if they can't afford it. Hopefully you don't get to hear a lot of cars in this video, because I do stop and start the video to try and cut out the noise of the cars. There's some more roses there. Hopefully you can see them. There's some more pretty flowers down here.
Yeah.
Got some of these in our garden, haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is
All on its own.
all on its own, yeah. It's a pretty one, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, Malcolm, there's strawberries up there as well. Malcolm, there's strawberries up there.
Oh yeah.
They're all along here as well.
Oh yeah. Very small, aren't they?
Yeah.
And I'm not sure if you can see them. There's actually strawberries there. They're extremely small. Oh. Well spotted, Lorraine. Okay, we're going to end the video in a minute. Go back down towards the church. Okay, darling?
Yeah.
Just looking at some of the architecture. That's the bishop's house. That one's called the bishop's house. We saw a bit earlier. Okay, and that's the bishop's house. beautiful bit. There's the pub up there, the Bell Inn. There's the lovely old building, the hill view. Some lovely flowers. And this is the Baptist Chapel from 1907, but it's not a chapel anymore. It's private dwelling now. It's a lovely chapel there. This is full of the wisterias. This is a wisteria on this house, but the flowers have gone, so it's not actually out in flower. But when the flowers are out, there's beautiful wisteria flowers there. Some lovely fox gloves, I should say, and geraniums. And some poppies. A beach cottage Very pretty. That'll be the church up that way. Got Westbury and Ilstoke that way. And you got Cheverill Green down that lane where we just walked up. And Devizes and Pottern down that lane. Some lovely hedge in there. Got some roses over there as well. That's Beach Cottage again. Okay. We're going to end the video now with the church bells in the background. The rain's starting to get a bit cold now. There is another little part to the village, but we've shown you most of the village for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video of me and Lorraine walking you through a village called Great Cheverall here in Wiltshire. It's not far from my hometown, it's all pretty close, with the church bells in the background. So we're going to say goodbye now. And it's goodbye from Lorraine. Goodbye. Goodbye from me, Malcolm. This is beautiful England. And please watch our videos. Hopefully we will do a drive-through video of Great Cheverall, and the bit that we might have missed we'll get in the drive-through. So if you want to look out for the drive-through video, we're going to try and do them as well. Fingers crossed. So look out for the drive-through videos as well. Thank you very much from England. Beautiful England.
Bye.
Beautiful Lorraine. And we welcome. Bye. So if you like our videos, please like our videos, and please subscribe to our video channel as well. Beautiful England. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.